In Module 6, we're going to work on analysis and reflection. And basically, you're going to be analyzing and reflecting on some of the skills that you use taking that test in Chapter 5. Very important to complete the test in Chapter 5 before you start in on Chapter 6. Module 6. For Module 6, once again, I want you to pay attention to the task list. Make sure you review all of these things. And then in these resources, these are going to be directly related to you creating a test analysis essay. So if you look at this first resource, test analysis essay, it's a booklet, and over on the right, you can see there are 8 different pages or chapters for this book. And in this first one, I did a video to basically talk through what the test analysis grid sheet does and how to use it. And then in this one, it's a video talking through the instructions for creating the test analysis essay, so on and so forth. Each one of these things you may find very, very helpful in creating your test analysis essay. So for the Module 6 grading, there is only one activity, and it's a discussion forum. And what you're going to do is you go into the discussion forum and pay particular attention to the directions. You're writing about a reflection for your experience with the writing center. So what I want you to do is I want you to draft that test analysis essay that I just referred to. Read those instructions, follow those instructions, get a draft of it, and then make a writing consultation to go over it, over at the TLC or via Zoom. And you're going to write in the forum about your experience. Now, I want to warn you, you're not uploading the draft here. You are writing and posting about your experience going over your draft with a writing consultant. So when you are done, it'll look something like this, a paragraph or 2 at most. And then, of course, when you reply, you're going to reply comparing your experience with other peers' experience getting a consultation on their analysis. So one of the big things here I want you to pay attention to is this resource, because in these resources, it gives you the instructions for the test analysis and what you have to do. So there's the video of me going over, but I also give it to you in document form in number 4. So you're going to have an introduction, section 1, section 2, section 3, and then I tell you what I want in those sections, what you're going to be talking about, and then your conclusion. And then don't forget, it's going to have to be done in Microsoft Word, and then adhere to MLA document design, which are all of these things. That is the instructions. Now, these other ones, like if you don't know how to set a page number in the header, a video kind of shows you that. If you already know, you don't have to watch it. MLA document design in Microsoft Word. Again, if you already know that, you don't need to review these. So you may or may not need all of these, but you will certainly need 1, 2, 3, and 4, because those all relate to the instructions of how to do the test analysis essay. So just a reminder, you are drafting the test analysis essay. You're reflecting and reviewing on the test you did in Chapter 5. That is the one you're reviewing. In Module 5, sorry, the test in Module 5. But you're not submitting it. You are taking it and doing it with a writing consultation and getting help on it. That's what this experience is all about. You will upload it next module in Module 7.